I want to show you how I ship my jewelry to my wonderful customers because they just paid you. So let's get the jewelry out to them. I want you to know that I love my customers. I hope you love your customers too. If they feel love and happy and excited when they get their jewelry, just like you do when you get that box, you get that box from Paparazzi. It's like Christmas in a box every time you get it. That's how you want them to feel. So when I have a piece of jewelry that is out of the box or out of the bag, I need to put it in something. So I might get an organza bag. I can buy these at eBay or the hobby shop. You can put it in like this. And look at how cute that is. But you know what? That's an additional cost. So if I don't want to do that, cheap, less expensive is your tissue paper. So take a tissue paper and wrap it up very nicely. How nice is that? How much nicer is that to be able to receive that? And then you can put it into different size padded envelopes. So you take it, you place that in very sweetly into a padded envelope. It's protected nicely. And then you can wrap that envelope like this and ship it to them. However, I like to double bag it. So I'll put it into a larger, because I don't want my jewelry to get broken. So I put it into a larger envelope this way, then I fold it up and it's ready to go. But not yet. Don't send anything out without giving them your information. Send them a business card, or I printed up some little cards that says, thank you for shopping with me. I gave them my information. I said, hugs, Robin. So they feel yummy. So you put that right inside here. That says, I love you. See, it just has a little I love you in the package. Then I wrap it up and it's ready to go. Now, how do you send it? Well, you can take down their information, go stand in line at the post office and pay your shipping cost, and the post office will send it. However, if you want to save that little extra time, a lot of time, standing at the post office, PayPal has a process that you can take it. If you have a scale, you can buy those shipping scales, or you can buy just a food scale. You weigh it on top of there, and then it prints out a label. Now let me show you how cool these labels are. They have a sticky back right here. Ooh, how cool that is. It prints the label out, and then you just print it on here, stick it on here, and call the post office. Really, you go online, and there's a link below for the post office, USPS, and they will come and pick it up. Now, what happens if you have a package that weighs more than 16 ounces? It's 15.99 ounces is first class. But once you get to 16 ounces, that's 1 pound. Go to flat rate. You can get these, again, the link is below for the post office. You can get these for free from the post office. So you package your package, put it in the envelope, and you place it in the flat rate. And then you print out your label, stick it right on here like this. And the post office will come and pick it up. Anything you can fit in this bag is like $7 or $8. But make sure you check with your post office to see exactly what the flat rate is. So again, the link below for the post office to come and pick up your packages from your house. You don't even need to take them there. And order these flat rate envelopes. I want you to know that we talked about shipping fee yesterday. You can choose to charge whatever you want. I have found that about $3 or $4 from up to 5 pieces. From 5 pieces to 10 pieces is about $7 or $8. From 10 up, that depends where you go. Yesterday, we talked about watching comments and pulling pieces and tracking them. Today, we talked about invoicing and shipping. Now, make sure you go back to that doc form, that Google form, or to your Excel sheet and say, shipped today on Monday. Make sure that you keep track of it. I can't wait because you're going to get money. You're going to ship this out. Make your customers happy. Always remember to love your life.